Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Now, big up all of my brethren them. Yo, my Vincy brethren, I can't me nah hear from you, you alright? Just want to know say you alright, dada. You understand? And my Vincy brethren them, down in a St. Vincent, me nah hear from you. And you have a specific one when me a talk about. You know who me a talk. Give me a call, dog. See? Alright. Yo, this video here is really a short video. You understand? And me I use this to show a comparison between violence in Jamaica and violence in Trinidad. And sometimes it's like, it's so complex, it's hard to draw a comparison. But in this one video here, me I try draw a comparison and show you. Let's go. As you can see, this is the bottom feeder. I think her name is Judine. Them give her 40 shots, 40 shots them give her. And it's because she was charged for murdering this guy right here in front of you all. You understand? Now, this is in Jamaica. And this happened around the same time when 9 people get shot in Trinidad. You understand? Now, the reason why I want to point out the comparison and the differences. Well, Judine, after the police catch her, cause she was the getaway driver to kill the young man. They made an attempt on her life in 2022. When she got bail, the police tell her leave Montego Bay. She didn't leave. At the end of the day, the man them catch her a couple days ago, and them went to her store and give her 40 shots and kill her. You understand? Now, let's talk about the incident what happened in Trinidad, and then me I go give you my analysis. Now, as we all know, a shooting happened in Trinidad. I did a video on it and I said who's responsible for it. You guys can check the video, fishy. And as a matter of fact, I'm coming with a part 2 because I want to show the connection even more. Now, this happened in Trinidad. You understand? You have gangs beefing against each other, just like Jamaica, where them kill one man over there in a gang, then they go over there kill the next person and vice versa, tit for tat. Now, it was 9 people who get shot, including a police officer, and 6 of them died. You understand? And now I can explain the difference now that I compare them. And let me explain it to you guys. So on the left, you have the incident with the bottom feeder in Jamaica. She get 40 shot. On the right, you have the other set of bottom feeder them in Trinidad. You understand? 9 people get shot and 6 dead and 3 injured. Now the major difference between Jamaica and Trinidad, what I am seeing from being an analysis in this morbid, dark realm of vlogging. I don't even know why I choose to vlog on gangs and gangsters. I could have vlogged on cooking and other stuff. It would be less damn stressful, but what I noticed, the major difference between these two countries, which I call them brother and sister. You understand? Trinidad and Jamaica, them are brother and sister. The two of them stay the same fucking way, but in a different way. Are the same blood clot outcome. One are the same thing. Now, in Jamaica, if you notice the difference, the man them targeted go for their target. They didn't spray the whole shop and the people them outside, because I'm quite sure where this bottom feeder girl, Judina, whatever her name is, she had a store and the man them went for her. The major difference in Trinidad is that we're not even sure if they're getting their targets. They're just targeting people. And even when they get their target, they still target other people that's in the vicinity that has nothing to do with their crime or with whatever they have going on. So in Trinidad, it's more brutal and reckless in terms of, listen, we'll go over here, so I will just go, anybody will say, we'll go get rid of them. And you see that happens a lot. And even sometimes when they get whoever they're going for, they still end up shooting other people, as we see. Whereas Jamaica, it's more on a targeted issue. Like, you'll see, yo, the man them catch the man who the man them a war, and boom, him we are deal with, or a them boy we are deal with, you understand? The rest of people them, usually, them not get touched. So, Jamaica is a little bit more, and I know I'm saying this and it's really terrible, and I'm speaking about it like it's a educational video, but Jamaica is a little bit more structured and organized in a them gang warfare and them nefarious thing in terms of that. Whereas Trinidad is a little bit more scattered and ruthless and a little bit more brutal. But at the end of the day, people are losing their lives and it's a straight negative, and we can't support that, killing out their community. So I hope I explain the differences and the similarity with how the killing them happening at Trinidad and Jamaica. Like I said, Trinidad in this case, and this is a too perfect case, the man them went for the bottom feeder chick who a support the gang and get charged for murder one gang member, and a she them went for. In Trinidad, the man them attack a whole community, shoot 9 people, 6 dead. We're not even sure if they got their target, and that's what's going on. I hope this explained it. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.